Hello, Dark Pulse TCG here, and today we'll be opening the 3 new Legendary Bird tins. So you've got Zapdos, Articuno, and Moltres. So let's get into it. Start off with Moltres. Get your promo. Then 5 packs of Crandia. Start. Metal, Dusclops, Energy Switch, Crocorock, Whelmo, Shinx, Corfish, Pawniard, Seal, Snorunt, and Dragalge. Dark, Rare Candy, Lairon, Friends and Sinnoh, Bidoof, Potion, Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Coughing, Electric, and a Rayquaza VMAX. Grass Energy, Pokemon Catcher, Salazzle, Rare Candy, Snorunt, Larvesta, Tangela, Baltoy, Galarian Meowth, Mew, and Raihan. Nice Mew there. Beastar Marker, Great Ball, Graveler, Rare Candy, Purloin, Grubbin, Skrelp, Helioptile, Wooloo, Bibarel, and Mewtwo. Final pack for the Moltres tin. Not been too bad. Would like Galarian Gallery like these. Water, Crocorock, Luxio, Friends and Hisui, Starly, Scyther, Emolga, Yungoos, Cherubi, Yanma, and a Zamazenta V. Okay, on to the next one. Articuno's turn. There's the Galarian Articuno. And 5 packs. Water Energy, Rescue Carrier, Salazzle, Carnivine, Tangela, Baltoy, Galarian Meow, Energy Revival, Retrieval, Helioptile, Suicune V, one of my favourite alt arts, and Yanmega. Dark Energy, Lairon, Friends and Sinnoh, Gloom, Cherubi, Starly, Switch, Execute, Love Disc, Reverse, Fighting, and Hop. Grass Energy, Rare Candy, Bishop, Lunatone, Wooloo, Shinx, Pancham, Snorunt, Rockruff, Turtwig, and Heliolisk. Pull to the front. Lightning Energy, Friends in History, Carnivine, Rescue Carrier, Corefish, Energy Search, Scyther, Riolu, Youngus, Switch, and Double. Final pack for this tin. Fighting Energy, Graveler, Pokemon Catcher, Pincurchin, Salandit, Purloin, Skrelp, Grubbin, Helioptile, Calyrex, and Lycanroc. So the last tin is the Zapdos. There it is. Five more packs. Lost bad edge row. V-Star, Matang, Shaman, Friends in History, Riolu, Starly, Scyther, Pokeball, Youngus, Purloin, and an Amoris. Lightning Energy, Lunatone, Soul Rock, Crocorock, Skrelp, Helioptile, Wooloo, Shinx, Pancham, Magmortar, and Gumshoes. Fighting, Soul Rock, Lost Vacuum, Luxio, Corefish, Pawniard, Seal, Rockworth, Aeron, Mewtwo, and Regigigas V-Star. Fire, Matang, Energy Search, Trekking Shoes, Coughing, Bidoof, Salandit, Purloin, Grubbin, Lumineon, and Berserker. Final pack. To the front. Psychic, Energy Switch, Crocorock, Lunatone, Tangela, Boltoy, Galarian Meowth, Whelmer, Shinx, Reverse Dark Energy, and a Mew V. This has been Dark Pulse TCG. Thanks for watching.